Chessapawn. How to play. The rules are the same as regular chess except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. The object of the game is to be the first player to promote any piece without it immediately being captured, or stalemate your opponent. There is no check or checkmate, therefore a king may move to a threatened space. Each piece is a pawn in addition to its ordinary piece type, so no piece is allowed to move backwards. Also, pieces that can move sideways may only do so with a capturing move. Knights can move one square forward without capturing, and capture one square diagonally forward, in addition to their normal chess move. Bishops gain the ability to move, without capturing, one square forward. Rooks gain the ability to capture, but not move, diagonally forward one square. All rear rank pieces are allowed to use the pawn's initial double-step move if you want. En passant can be performed against any piece that uses their pawn's double-step move by any piece using its diagonal forward capture. If a king is captured, the game continues like normal. You are not allowed to castle. The first player to promote a piece without it immediately being captured wins. If you are stalemated, then you lose.